Nobody is in the hallway. The school is going to blow up when I push the big self-destruct button that I installed. No more badass learning in detentions. Time to push the button. Attention, please. A self-destruct button has been pushed in the school building and it will blow the school up. Please get out of the building fast. We have serious breaking news today that Toontastic Elementary School got blown up by someone pressing the self-destruct button. Police report that this must have been a student who caused the school explosion. 24 people got killed, 30 people were mildly injured, and the rest survived with no injuries. We have a witness that knows who blew up Toontastic Elementary School. Well, I believe it was Billy Spunky Gal. It was all on camera. He was also the one who installed a self-destruct button to the wall just before pushing it. I really hope police will send this kid to jail. That little son of a bitch! Billy, I cannot goddamn believe you decided to blow up your school and injure loads of people! I came to let you know that your son will be arrested for a decade and is paying everyone's hospital bill. You and your husband are paying a $5,000 fine worth your son's damage to the school. You are so grounded for 25 years after you get out of jail.